Hello everyone. You've installed Python 3 and you're trying to access the Python through your command prompt, and she just tells you that command is not recognized. This is normally due to the fact that the environment variable is not set. So to set your environment variables, you go to users, your username, then you go to AppData, local programs, Python 37, and this is where you see it. So you just go here, you copy it to a clipboard, right click here, this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variable, and look for path. Double click path, go here, hit add new, right click, paste it, okay, and okay again, close this. You have to close your command prompt and open a new one and type Python. Oops. There you go. That's how you enable the environment variable. Have a good day.